So you sold this house, right?
Yeah,
This
I sold everything, yeah.
was David? No more. Gone.
Yeah.
My house, 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 my house. All of my property.
Show the money, show the money.
David is crying. I still have money.
But I only owe you $1,007. Here is my advanced payment. Advanced payment, I'm good for it.
What advance payment? Let me see your tears.
Do you want any property instead?
Railroad.
How many of them?
Oh, four.
For how much?
For the 500.
For the 600.
Or it's either that or you go bankrupt.
Okay.
This is how somebody that lost looks like.
You're unfair.
I'm unfair?
Here, it's yours. It's yours. It's yours. And it's yours.
Thank you.
Fucking.
Babe, who's the winner? Who won today?
You.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear my name.
Stella.
Hold on.
Be careful. Wanna go outside a little bit?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm taking.
Can you just say it's raining, it's like freezing rain?
I'm very freezing rain. So freezing rain, but.
It's hail, I don't know. Okay, close the door.